Yes, hello children, how are you all? So we are back again with lesson number 2, How the Earth Looks, Subject Social Studies, Part 3. So before we start part 3, let us recollect what we have learned in the part 1 and part 2. Yes, in the part 1 and part 2 we have learned about the globe, like what are the uses of the globe, and about the oceans and continents, how many oceans are there, how many continents are there, and yes, we have learned about map. Okay, globe and map both are very different. We cannot take globe everywhere, so for that reason we will use what? We will use map. Okay, so there are many different maps also, like wall map. Maps are very small also, which can be folded easily. So now further in the part 3 we will learn different types of map, like is there only a world map, or is there only a state map, or is there only a country map. So what are the different types of maps are there, that also we will learn today. So yes everyone, take out page number 129. Okay, the last paragraph. Yeah, let us read. There are also separate maps of different continents. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. Our country India is a part of Asia. Locate India on the map of Asia. Now can you locate India on the world map? So yes, there are different maps for different continents also. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents, right? What are those 7 continents? Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents, and we have different maps for this 7 continents. So one example they have given that our country name is what? India. And India locates where? Asia. India कहाँ पे locate होता है? Asia में locate होता है. So now they are saying to find out India in the map of Asia. Or else Asia को first you take a world map and locate where is Asia. So this is what? This is world map. So India is in the continent of Asia, and where is Asia? Asia is here. So if you just take this Asia map, you will find India also. Okay, this is a world map where they have given us about the 7 continents. And if you look at the 7 continents along with the country, you can find India over here. So isn't it is very easy? Like first thing you need to find, if your country is India, you need to know that India कौन सी कॉन्टिनेंट में है. So अगर जब आपको इंडिया ढूंढना है और आपको पता चल गया कि इंडिया एशिया में है, तो पहला एशिया को ढूंढो. एशिया कहाँ पे है? एशिया यहाँ पे है. Then easily you can find your country. Your country is India and India is over here. Okay? Yes. Now turn your page. There are 4 directions: east, west, north, south. Help us to locate places on the map. Let us see a wall map. So this is what? Wall map. This is called as what? Wall map. And that's the reason they have 4 directions. How many directions? 4 directions: north, south, east and west. So this direction help us to locate the places easily. With the help of these directions you can easily locate the places. The north is always at the top of the map. So yes, as I have said you, north is always at the top. Okay. The south is at the bottom. South is at the bottom. North is at the top, south at the bottom. East is towards the our right and west is towards our left. Okay, so if I'll do like this. So east is towards this side and west is towards this side. Okay, so north, south, east and west. So always wherever you are, so east is always towards the left side, east is always towards the right side, and west is to our left. Okay, in all the map, directions are shown in the same way. Can you tell in which direction India lies on the map? Yes. So all the map directions are towards the same side. So this is what? Asia continent. So where is India? Towards the bottom. It means India कहाँ पे आता है? India south side पे आता है. Okay? कहाँ पे आता है India? South side. Okay? So like that, north towards the top, south towards bottom, east towards my right side, and west towards left side. Okay children, so with this we have completed our lesson. Lesson number 2 was all about the globe, about map, about directions. I want everyone to read the lesson, and yes, we will complete the question answers also. Okay children, go through the lesson, learn question answers, learn new words, everything. Okay, so we'll meet with the new lesson with a new topic in the next session or in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.